Hello viewers, my name is Amandeep Singh. Today we are discussing about how to turn off auto downloading Telegram app. So firstly, we have to open Telegram application. After opening the Telegram application, you have to click on three lines which are present on top left. Here you can see a setting option. You have to open it. After opening a setting option, you can see data and storage option. You have to open data and storage option. Under data and storage option, you can see automatic media download section. Here there are three options. We have to turn off all these three options. So first option is when using mobile data. Second is when connected on Wi-Fi. And third one is when roaming. After turn off all these three options, the automatic media download in Telegram will stop. I hope my video helps you, and if you need any technical help related to your mobile and laptop, you can write me in a comment box. And please like my video and subscribe and share.